In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a column or vertical bar graph in Microsoft Word. Using a column graph is an excellent way to visually present your data, making it easier to understand and compare information quickly. Whether you're preparing a report, presentation, or research document, Word's built-in chart tools make this process straightforward and professional. To start, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to add the column graph. Once your document is ready, navigate to the Insert tab at the top of the ribbon. In the Illustrations group, click on Chart. This opens a dialog box where you can select the type of chart you want to insert. From the list on the left, choose Column. You'll see several column chart options, including clustered, stacked, and 100% stacked. Select the one that best suits your data presentation, then click OK. Microsoft Word will insert the chart into your document and open an Excel worksheet in a split window, displaying sample data. Now, replace the sample data with your own. Click on any cell in the Excel worksheet and type the data you want to include. You can adjust data in any cell by following the same process, and the word chart will update automatically as you enter your information. Once you've finished inputting all your data, simply close the Excel window, and your chart in Word will reflect the new values. If you need to change the chart type later, select the chart in Word, click on Change Chart Type, choose a different column chart option, and click OK. You can also adjust the style of your chart by using the Chart Styles section, which allows you to change colors, shading, and overall design. To add data labels for clarity, click on Add Chart Element, select Data Labels, and choose Data Callout. This displays the actual values on each column, making it easier for viewers to interpret your chart. Additionally, you can format titles or any text within the chart by selecting it, going to the Format tab, opening the Shape Styles menu, and choosing the style you prefer. Repeat this process for any other text elements to maintain a consistent look. And that's all it takes. With these steps, you can create a professional, clear, and visually appealing column graph in Word in just a few minutes. It's a simple way to present your data effectively and make your documents stand out. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.